Hi guys! We have another client for today and ang in-order po ni client ay bundle of 5. Alright? So, nandito na ang ating 5 tongs na pinili ni client. And let's start with this next tong. Alright? So, let's go. Pakita ko sa inyo. Alright, so now, suot ko na ang first tong na pinili ni client. And this is yung next tong. Alright, so this is it. Hi guys! So ayan, today is October 10, 5:21 p.m. guys. And maliligo na po tayo. So, tatanggalin na natin yung order ni client. And after that, susutin natin yung second tong, the white one with the lace sa gilid. Alright, so let's go. Tanggalin muna natin. Alright, so eto na po yung tong. So, tutupiin natin and ilalagay natin sa sinisunok ako guys pouch. So we have one pouch na here. So susutin natin yung second later, this one, and then pakita ko sa inyo. Hi there. So, suot ko na po yung tong. Hi there. So, ayan, today is October 11, 7:37 p.m. Alright? So, ngayon ay maliligo na po ako. Tatanggalin natin yung order ni client. And, after kung maligo, susutin natin yung pangalawa. Pangatlo pala. Pangatlo. Alright? So, tanggalin muna natin. Let's go. Tadam! Ito na po yung order ni client. So, ito na yung order ni client. Na to. And, tutupin na natin. Plus, ilalagay na natin sa pouch. So, where are my pouch? Here. Alright. So, after neto, ito yung first one. Ito yung second one. And mamaya, suot natin yung third. Alright, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Ito na po ang time. Hi guys! So, ayun. Now, maliligo na po tayo. Today is Sunday, October 12. Okay? 9:11 p.m. Ayan. Wala yung yung date. Ayan. Sunday, October 12, 9:11 p.m. So, yun. Maliligo na tayo. Still wearing the order. And ilalagay natin dito sa pouch. So, let's go. Tanggalin na natin. Lalagyan na natin siya dito sa loob ng pouch. Alright? So, ito na yan pangatlo. And, susutin natin yung pang-apat pagkatapos maligo. Alright? So, see you later. Hi there, so, tapos na lang maligo. Hi there! So, ayun, it's October 13, 10:56 p.m. So, ngayon, maliligo na tayo. Ayan. And, ito yung susuotin natin na tong, yung last tong na order ni client. mesh string thong. Alright, so tatanggalin na natin yung order na purple. Lagay mo natin dito. And ayan, so now gagawin natin is tutupi lang natin siya and ilalagay na dito sa pouch. Mamaya, after kung maligo, eto na ang susuotin. Alright? So, see you in a bit. Maliligo na ako. Alright, suot ko na. Hi there! So, ayan. Today, papadala na natin yung order ni client. So, this is the last one over here na tatanggalin natin bago ipadala later. Alright, so, I have my pouch here. And now, tatanggalin na natin. Tanggal. Siya. So, now, alright, so this was the last one. Halagyan ko na lang ng tape. This was the last one, guys. And ipapadala natin sa client mamaya. Kunin ko yung mga iba. Alright, so eto lahat ng order. This one, this two, and this one. And ipapadala natin mamaya via LBC. So, see you later, guys. Hi, guys! So, ayan. Papunta na tayo ng LBC. Papadala natin yung mga thongs. Let's go! Alright, so dito na po ako sa LBC and hi guys! So ayan, napadala ko na po. And bound for Tacloban, Leyte. Alright. So again guys, ayun na nga, bundle of 5 ang kanyang in-avail. So sa lahat na gusto mag-avail either solo or bundle of 5, just DM me on my Facebook page, Liav 2.0 or Liav 3.0. Again, thank you so much. Love.